Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday, and I've recently started my weeks on Sundays. So today is a glute and hammy focused leg day. However, it sucks outside. Like, it's terrible. And I'm really trying to push myself to go because I figure these are the days that there's no motivation, but it has to be discipline. So I'm going to get ready to go to the gym just now. And I actually kind of have to hurry up. I just finished a training. I have to come back and do another training and muster and everything like that. A lot of that is like Navy talk. But I don't have a lot of time. And I'm going to try to get through my entire workout. But if not, we're going to be on Zoom, on Teams, in the gym. So next time you guys see me, hopefully I look better than this. And I will be in the gym and I'll be hitting glutes and hammies.
Damn now.
This one for that nice pretty girl with her hair slayed. This one for that nice pretty girl with no flaws. This one for that bad little mommy, do her damn thing. Girl, I swear you perfect and that's just the way you are. This one for that bad little shorty with her hair slayed, and her bills paid, and her nails laid. She get to her bag, love the way she do her damn thing. Can't tame, shorty rhyme game, and I can't blame. She don't trust nobody, she be thinking she too loyal. Come and let me spoil you. Be drippin' the latest, not no basic girl, I adore you. Take my time and be patient, I wanna learn and just explore you. I think about you daily, that's how I know I'm really for you. I know I'm really for you. Shorty passionate about her worth, she know her true desires. Baddie with no Maybelline, that's how I know shorty fire. Don't gotta do too much, she get noticed, she pull up, you can't hide. Pay attention and she keeping me focused, I know that she got her open, telling me her secrets. It's safe for me, you know I keep it. Baddie, it's always her season. She be giving me a reason. She say you stuck with me, it ain't no leaving. This one for that nice pretty girl with her hair slayed. This one for that nice pretty girl with no flaws. This one for that bad little mommy, do her damn thing. Girl, I swear you perfect and it's just the way you are. Yeah. This one for that bad little mommy with her hair slayed. This one for that bad little mommy. This one for that bad little mommy, do her damn thing. That's really perfect and that's just the way you are.
she feel like a star. Shout out to Diddy, got tens on my car. First the big bread, I expect to go far. Deep in my thoughts, catch me at the bar. Yellow like boy, fall like the Simpsons. Still a BG, you know that I'm Grinching. Purple baguettes on my wrist, ain't no pension. Hella blues in my pockets, my pension. Let's run it back, my motive is clear. Hello my dear, this is my year. Shout out to Yogi, cause I got a beer. One-on-one nigga, you cannot compare. Stop telling lies, only true for dear. Exclusive, my feet got about 3 pair. I feel relief when I fly in the air. Marine on my body, don't know what you feel. Doing better, feeling better. Any weather, getting cheddar. I'm a stepper. Peter Piper, pickle pepper. Please no lecture. Doing better, feeling better. Any weather, getting cheddar. I'm a stepper. Peter Piper, pickle pepper. Please no lecture. Uno, dos, tres. I mean 1, 2, 3. Red light, green light, can't see me. Come with me. Let's have a party and drink for free. Then we ride around with the tank on E. She only love me when she want my D. It can get sunny when I add the P. Fucking with Gunna, we not pushing P. Living my lifestyle. It can get rough, I got some issues I can't even front. Niggas I know, not even that tough. Whole lot of meth in my styrofoam cup. I'ma just go run it up. Said I need to, I ain't doubling up. I send a pack, don't fumble it up. Cause if you do, I'll be rolling you up. Doing better, feeling better. Any weather, getting cheddar. I'm a stepper. Peter Piper, pickle pepper. Please no lecture. Doing better, feeling better. Any weather, getting cheddar. I'm a stepper. Peter Piper, pickle pepper. Please no lecture.
Okay, so y'all already know I forgot to record an outro, but as always, thank you for watching, especially if you stayed to the end to even hear this outro. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, while you at it, if you really mess with me, like if I'm your sis, click the notification bell so every time I post, you'll know it. You'll be the first to know.